Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the Amber stand at ISE 2012. My name's Paul Mott, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about Kinetik Labs' range of Kisp in-ceiling speakers. We're featuring here today the new lineup, featuring three models. On the top here we have Kisp E160 LPS, which is a dual voice core stereo speaker with tweeters that swivel to direct sound, ideal for placement in a smaller room where you want stereo sound but don't have the room for a pair of speakers. The next model down is the Kisp 160 LP, a contractor series 160mm speaker. Particular note on here, we've got fitted here to one of the speakers a low profile ultra thin bezel that goes onto this speaker. Once it's in the ceiling and fitted, it has very little impact on the surroundings, so it really hides the speaker away. That's held in magnetically. Let's remove that. You can see that clips off to reveal a very low profile bezel edge. Clip it in place. There you go. Very neat, tidy install speaker. You can remove those grills and paint them to match the decor around, or leave them white, which for most ceilings is the appropriate sort of colour. Going up from the contractor series, the last model in the lineup currently is the Kisp E160 LP. Here we've engineered a high quality silk dome tweeter that swivels. So again, you can direct that tweeter into the sweet spot of listening for best stereo presentation, and a high quality polypropylene drive unit. On the back you can switch between 4 and 8 ohms, so it's really flexible design for custom install. All these speakers come neatly packed in their own branded packaging with all the facts and figures on there, so you know what size they are. They come with a cutout template, so it's easy to install the speakers. When it comes to cutting holes in the ceiling, all of these speakers share the same size diameter cutouts. So for projects, you've got some flexibility over your final choice of model that you install. When it comes to ceiling speakers, the speaker is a cutout in the ceiling material, and that presents the risk of spread of fire should the room below have a fire start. The fire could spread above the ceiling. We're launching at ISE a range of 2 acoustic fire hoods for use within ceiling speakers. These designs a special fire resistant material that prevents fire getting from the room below through the speaker unit into rooms above. So it's fire rated to British building standards. Also, because of the nature of the padding on this product, if I flip this around, oops, there we go, you can see in there that it also is lined, so it has acoustic installation properties as well. Again, important if you're using in ceiling speakers with rooms above and you want to prevent excess noise leakage from the room below. A range of 2 of those launched at ISE this year. And lastly, but very importantly, 2 speaker cable options from Kinetik. The SP2 speaker cable, which is a 2-core 1.5mm installation cable, ideal for use with any in-ceiling speaker, but particularly those Kisp speakers from Kinetik. These come on 200-meter drums. The insulation on here is low smoke, zero halogen on the outer sheath and the inner cores, so it complies again with ever more demanding building regulations. Marked with meter marks, so you know how much cable's left on the roll, and it's also marked so that you can identify the cable when it appears through the wall.